Hi, this is Jane. Today I will show you short effective exercises. Just a little bit is better than nothing. 10 minutes of daily exercise is admirable because it's far better than 0 minutes of productive energy expenditure. However, exercise physiology and weight loss science point to 30 minutes per day, at least 3 times per week, as part of your best body fat improvement scenario. If you're averagely overweight, that is, not doctor-diagnosed with extreme obesity, or if you just want to feel better by losing or shedding a few pounds, there's good news for you, from accredited, reliable, trusted experts who also care about your well-being. Truth: 10 minutes of daily exercise is admirable because it's far better than 0 minutes of productive energy expenditure. However, exercise physiology and weight loss science point to 30 minutes per day, at least 3 times per week, as part of your best body fat improvement scenario. Why does 30 minutes prove so beneficial, and what's the other part of an effective weight loss scenario? Your body has only 3 possible energy systems. 2 of them are oxygen independent. Yet, in order to metabolize fat, your body demands that oxygen be present. Long story short, brief, especially quick exercise bouts look for quick energy sources. These reside in blood and in muscle. It takes more than a few minutes to significantly tap into your fat stores, and especially, to burn enough of it for a long enough time to lose some substantial body weight. This is almost the exact opposite of muscle tissue, where you can see and feel virtually immediate results. Burning fat requires patience. You simply have to allow yourself time to let exercise effects occur. Reach your aerobic threshold. Generally, exercise begins with a warm-up phase, at least 1 to 3 minutes. Provided your intensity remains within your target heart rate training zone, about 120 heartbeats per minute, an estimated average for most non-health impaired adults, you'll spend the next 7 to 10 minutes reaching your aerobic threshold. Staying near to, but right below the point where your muscles burn from a too highly intense performance causing lactic acid buildup will bring you to a virtually perfect fat burn. Yet, this very special meeting only occurs at medium to low intensities, which takes longer periods of time. Lipids, a simplified word for non-water soluble fats within your system, have to move from the outside of a cell, through the cytosol, mix with pyruvate, plus oxygen, then proceed to your furnace, mitochondria. This is where you break fat down into your rewarding and much wanted byproducts: energy, the work you've achieved, H2O, sweat, and carbon dioxide, a lot of continuous exhaling. So, if you quit at the 10-minute mark, you deny yourself approximately an additional 10 calories or more per minute of weight lost, primarily from fat stores. Stopping this process at 10 minutes is much like going all the way to the door of your favorite party but never stepping inside. For the real action. Reasons why you should work out more than 10 minutes. With all of that said, there's an even more monumentally powerful yet scientific reason why you should work out for more than only 10 minutes. In fact, at least 30-minute exercise sessions prove most beneficial for effective weight loss and improved endurance. You'll get 3 fundamental benefits from this. First, you preserve your lean body mass, which you need because it burns fat far better than fat can burn itself. Second, you get to expend maximum calories, the true key to losing weight, maximizing caloric expenditure, which is a time-consuming venture. Third, your extended physical activity makes you change the way your body uses food internally or metabolically, for example, getting 3-fold increase in calories expended, compared to person remaining sedentary. To summarize, experts now agree. The bottom line is that essentially all experts in diabetic science, obesity control, dietetics and nutrition, exercise science and personal training, and exercise physiology agree that extended, low to moderate intensity physical activity is yet the most significant and flexible factor in energy expenditure for losing weight. Mix that with practicality, reasonability, and utilize the following tip: base your safe, effective weight loss goals around the fundamental principle that you need to alter your energy balance in the negative direction by expending about 500 calories per day from smartly manipulating both exercise and diet. You'll find that it's barely even possible to accomplish this feat by altering food alone. With exercise, however, you can obtain your weight loss objectives much more comfortably and conveniently, plus safely, too, for results that are long-lasting and health-enhancing. I hope this small explanation will help you to start your own exercises. If yes, please like and follow my channel. Thank you.